Stop scrolling. Have you ever caught yourself yawning just because someone else did, even if you weren't tired? Here's the science. Yawning can actually be contagious. When you see or hear someone yawn, parts of your brain involved in empathy and social connection may trigger the same response in you. Researchers call it contagious yawning, and studies suggest that people who score higher on empathy tests are more likely to catch a yawn. So next time you yawn in a meeting, don't just blame tiredness. Your brain might simply be mirroring those around you.